It didn't work?
1? Okay. 402. They were like, you must call a 1 before you. 327 9944. Talk. It's not necessary to dial a 1.
Oh my gosh.
402 327 9944. Okay, stop it. They say, first this guy said you have to dial a 1 before you dial a number. And then I do that, and they were like, you don't have to dial a 1 before.
And now? Why don't you try it with your phone?
What?
Why don't you try it with your phone?
My cell phone?
Yeah, maybe that works.
Oh, no, it's not. I'm not saying. Should I try the old number? Like this one?
Yeah.
No, but why she doesn't live there anymore?
Then you just say, oh, sorry.
Oh, which one of them? Oh, no, that might be stuck.
Just say, sorry, wrong number, bye.
402 703 6334. Please check the number and dial it again. Okay, turn it out.